Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read your assignment for you. The title of the assignment is Sentence Starter Part 2. Please make sure that you type your first and last name. For this assignment, you're going to write the sentence starter for each question. You're going to write the sentence starter or your turnaround answer for each question. The first question is, what are the benefits of migration? Type your sentence starter or turnaround answer. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. The next question is, what is the difference between the two graphs? The next one, what bodies of water make up a river system? What are the 4 sources of water pollution? Please make sure you have typed out the sentence starter or the turnaround answer for each question and then hit submit.